I'll be reviewing the Exceed RC Rally Monster. And this is a Nitro RC car by Exceed RC. Has a .18 Nitro engine and it's 4-wheel drive. Has top speed about 30 to 40 miles per hour depending on how you run the engine. So in this, I'm just going to unbox and show just some key points of the vehicle. So you get this, and you can also order this starter kit, which comes with some important stuff that you'll need to run the RC, and I'll get into that later. So let's open this main box. So let's pull this off, and I'll set this to the side. And it comes with some decals that you can use on the RC car here, and the instruction manual. And then inside the box, you have the RC, like the body of the RC, and the receiver. So I'll come back to this in a while. And here's the starter kit. So the starter kit has some stuff that you need to run this RC, so I also bought an extra spark plug, so that's just there. So it comes with a charger, and then this is a glow plug igniter, which is what you need to start the engine. You just put this over the spark plug and it starts the engine. And it comes with some tuning screws over here, and then some wheel nut bolts and wrenches, and a fuel bottle so you can just easily pour fuel into your vehicle. And you really need, this is the main component you need to start your engine. Okay guys, so I came back and I unboxed everything. So I got the RC, and I've got my glow plug igniter fully charged, and then I'll just leave these out. This is the wrench. This one uses for the glow plug igniter and the spark plug, and then that one's just for the wheels. And then I have some tuning screws here that came with the starter kit, and I'll just put this aside for now. And here's the receiver. It's 2.4 gigahertz, and it has, if you open this lid, it has a lot of controls you can use. And it is hobby grade, so it has ratio steering, so it's not like on and off switch, it actually has ratios, and it's 2.4 gigahertz. So here's the RC. I'll take off these body pins. So these body pins are just used to hold the body on. So you take off the body like this, and I'll put this aside. So here's the RC, and I've got the engine already, and the fuel tank is full fuel now, and I have the radio antenna thing on here so it doesn't bend over, and the wheels are pretty good shape. Might need to tune the steering a little bit, and the engine's here, and it's just a simple pull start. And then there's a fuel filter, and this has oil-filled metal shocks, so it has a variable suspension. This is fully adjustable, and it has wishbone struts right here, and the exhaust pipe is right here, and this is the engine exhaust headers. And you can just take off the air filter if you need to, like this, and put it back on. And here you can see the carburetors right here, brakes, and I'll show you with this on. So I'll turn on the radio and the RC. So see, right here we have the carburetor servo, and this controls acceleration. So right now if I accelerate, it'll open the carburetor hole so I can get more gas into the engine and go faster. And if I want to brake, it actually has functioning brakes, so it brakes by itself. So you can't turn the wheels because the brakes are working pretty good right now. And then servo. I might want to tune that a little because the vehicle is going a little bit to the right. And there are some tuning adjustments here. I'm going to use those. So let's turn off the servo and the receiver. And so the vehicle does have pretty sturdy bumpers and shock tower. And it has a lot of metal parts too, which is good, like this metal shock tower and a metal chassis. And that's good because if plastic parts were there, it'd probably just melt. And I got this fuel, which I'm going to use. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.